name is Mark Ivan P. Longhas, but you can call me Kiki. And this is Mark Ju P. Longhas, which you can call him Coco.
And then we're gonna call him Army too.
And also, we're gonna do an unboxing video today. Today, we're gonna unbox something from Manila. Okay, so...
Yes,
Coco,
I know.
Do you want to start the unboxing?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you want for Kuya to cut? I'm just gonna start with the holes. Open. So satisfying. And also free bubble wrap.
Careful.
Open. God damn it. God damn it.
Pandemic.
Yeah.
Pop that bubble wrap. Pop that bubble wrap.
Okay, there you go.
Go.
Okay. Now let's take the bubble wrap off. Okay.
Okay. I can do that.
From over here.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Look at this beautiful baby.
This is mine. Mine is at the top.
Yeah. And my
Okay, so let's cut this tape.
yes. Tape. Tape is so sticky like glue.
There we go. Oh, there's still a middle. Oh, there you go. And now we're free. Now let's try to take this out. Oh. Wait. Oh, there's the tape.
Oh yeah, this beautiful baby. I'm gonna carry it like a real baby. Sleep, 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 sleep. Yeah. There's still. Oh yeah. Oh
There.
gosh.
There. Oh wow. Jesus Christ. Okay, so there is two of them. Oh, that took a long time, but so what do you want to open first? The small one?
Yeah, the small one. I will open the small one with
This
tape.
is yours.
I will open the small one with scissors.
No, I'll be the one to open it, okay?
Why wouldn't I let you open it?
Okay, so let's just punch our finger to the hole and open. What the? So we actually need
Oh, there's
batteries.
dots. There's dots. Oh, there's balas. Oh, there's some ammo.
Here's like
This is some crazy ammo.
oh, so more ammo. Okay, this is sticky ammo. This is not sticky ammo. So
Okay, I want to fire.
okay, time for the next one.
Sour bird.
Time for the next one.
Time for
And
the next one. I want my army now.
okay.
Put the banish. Yeah, okay. Open fire.
God, Jesus Christ. It's rough.
These tapes are so strong like a big strong hook.
Yeah, there you go.
There's that big. Look at that big. Oh, let me check. Wait, what's that?
Oh my God, this thing is huge. And we got one packet of 2 packets. We got 4 packets. 2 packets of non-sticky bullets and 2 packets of sticky bullets.
Wait, no.
Let me just open the inner package.
I want to reload now.
Wait, we need batteries for that Coco.
Where's the batteries, huh?
You asked Ludo for batteries.